welcome to our first video. We're going to be making snow cones today. My name is Kella.
My name's Delina. And we
are T&J. Watch us play. Let's get to the snow cone. So we have the snow cone maker. Oh, you can't see my face.
That's the snow cone maker.
Hi. You can see there's blueberry. So we need, there's ice cream. So like there's blueberry and cherry.
And blueberry.
I'm having blueberry. How about we have both?
Yeah, we're all having both.
Yeah, I'm gonna have blueberry and cherry.
I'm having blueberry and cherry.
So I'm just gonna open
So
it.
gross. Well, we just don't have to eat that. Buying this one.
Remember, like they have it at like ice cream trucks, snow cones, and we just bought some too. We're just opening this box. It's hard.
Ooh, I don't do this.
Okay, and then you open that top. That's so weird. I just can't see it because it's hard to get out. Yeah.
Alright, so we are going to open this and get it all situated.
Ah, it's so big. Oh, it looks so big.
This, guys.
So cool.
I'm just getting to my Aunt Jamie.
I'm giving, my mom is just doing this for a little bit, and she's opening it, so she's setting it up.
Yep, I'm going to set it up for you guys.
We need ice.
Yes, we definitely need lots of ice.
To make a lot of snow cones.
So
But I really wanted to eat it.
It's a big box.
I really didn't want to use that straw. Oh, but it's the spoon.
Now you can see it. Choose one. Which one are you doing?
Blue.
You choose red.
Blue.
I'll choose blue.
No, I choose. Okay, we both could choose blue. We're both going to choose blue. My hair is growing big.
My hair is growing long.
This is how tall my hair. Guys, you can't see. That's how long my hair got.
This is how short my hair is.
This is how long my hair is.
This is how really my hair is.
And this is how really my hair is.
It's pretty hair, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Is it my pretty hair and his hers? This, I don't know what this is, but it says and B.
So we got cherry here.
And we have, so,
Blueberry.
so,
Blueberry and cherry. I almost said strawberry, but blueberry and cherry. Give it to yourself, blueberry and cherry. Blueberry and cherry. Blueberry and cherry.
but they said they have 100 people on here, but because it's now 100, it's 5.
Oh, that's not 100. It says
100.
100. It says 100 times you can use this.
Times you can use it. 100 times you can use it.
What are you doing here?
We're putting the ice in right now.
We're putting the ice in right now.
Okay, it says before. Okay, so we're going to get started. Who's going to go first?
Me. I'll let you go.
Okay.
There you can go.
Okay. I'm going to go first and she wants me to go.
So, I love Elsa. She's my favorite character. And Jasmine. They're the coolest. I like Jasmine's bracelet. And I like Elsa's dress.
I like Anna and Elsa. And
I
Jasmine. I like all the princesses.
Me too.
In all of them.
Okay. What color are we going to do?
Blue and red.
Blue and red.
I have a shirt. Because that's Elsa. And the beautiful hair. It's from blue.
Okay. Now put the cap on.
Might need a couple more pieces. Just wait for it. This stuff stains, y'all.
But what if it stains me?
It's not going to stain you. You can take a shower.
Okay. Did it get on you?
Okay, and then you
need to grab this kind
Okay, ready? And move it in circles. You want half blue, half red? Okay.
It's like a yummy. Good job, Mommy.
Oh, just a little bit. Spoke too soon. Okay, this side.
Oh, goodness.
Okay, now you dig in. How does it taste?
Tastes good. I'm feeling like the one with the cone down doing the one with no cone. Me too. Because this one's more. I want the more. Oh, let's try mix. It tastes good.
What's your guys' favorite flavor?
Blueberry and cherry. Both of them.
Blueberry cherry.
If you
All
had to pick one or the other, which one would your favorite be?
Blueberry.
The blue raspberry?
Mm-hmm. I should have only chose blueberry.
Mm-hmm. Mixed up. Mixed up is good.
Okay.
It's good mixed up. I tried it a little bit.
We're gonna fish our snow cone off camera. Yeah, and we love you guys all.
I hope you like this video. Bye!
Subscribe button.